Okay, so for today's problem, let's look at an example of sequencing transformations. Now remember, a sequence of transformations involves multiple steps done in a particular order. So in this example, we're going to translate triangle HIJ, and then we're going to reflect triangle HIJ. So we're going to create a new image, H prime, I prime, J prime, by following these steps. So let's do it. First, we are going to translate our units, or translate our triangle 3 units up. So we're going 3 up, and the translation is just sliding. So let's do that. We'll start with H. We're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's 1. We'll take I and we'll go up 3. 1, 2, 3. I will be right here on the x-axis, and J is going to go up 3 as well. 1, 2, 3. So our new triangle, which I'll enable right here, I'll make it pink for our translation, is going to be located here after the translation. All we've done is we've translated it, we slid it up 3 units. Just like that. So it's the same shape, same size, just moved somewhere else on the coordinate plane. Pretty easy, right? Great. Now it says that we're going to translate, or after we've translated it, we're going to reflect our triangle over the y-axis. So remember, a reflection occurs when you flip an image over a line. So if I have my y-axis as my line of reflection, every point on my triangle is going to move the same distance from here to here on the other side of that line of reflection. So for example, my point, which is H, I, and J, point H is 1, 2 units away from my line of reflection. So it's going to be the mirror image flipped 2 units on the other side. 1, 2. So here's the location of H prime. Same thing with I. We count how many units away it is from the line of reflection, our y-axis. 1, 2, 3 units. So that means it's going to move 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. And that is I prime. J is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the line of reflection. So it's going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 units over here. And that is J prime. So since I'm going to label this green, here is our image after the reflection. It's the same size and the same shape. It is just on a different location, the mirror image over our line of reflection, which was the y-axis. So, to recap, we started with our triangle HIJ. We did our first step in our sequence, which was translated up 3 units. So it slid up. And then we did our second step, which was to reflect over our y-axis. This is our y-axis here. We flipped it over the y-axis, and it's a mirror image, so it looks like the opposite of that triangle. So here is our location of H prime, I prime, J prime. And that is how you can conduct a sequence of transformations on triangle HIJ.